Welcome. As you all know, using Articulate Storyline 360 to build simulation is not only very beneficial, but also easy to do if one knows how to. Which is why, in this video, we will be outlining a step-by-step guide to building a simulation in Storyline 360. First step, planning and storyboarding. This has 3 sub-steps. 1. Defining your learning objectives, that is, the knowledge or skills that you want your learners to gain from the simulation. 2. Choosing the scenario that best aligns with your objectives. 3. Storyboarding the flow, by sketching out the sequence of actions, decision points, potential outcomes, etc., of your simulation. Second step, creating the simulation base. This also has 3 sub-steps, last of which is optional. 1. Setting up your slides by designing the basic layout of your simulation slides and deciding on the visual elements, navigation buttons, etc. 2. Building the basic interactive elements of your simulation by using Storyline 360's built-in triggers, layers, variables, etc. 3. Which is the optional step, is adding multiple paths based on learners' choices using Storyline's branching features in case you want to create a more complex simulation. The third step, in case you are going for software simulations, is recording screencasts. As before, it too has 3 sub-steps. 1. Using Storyline's screen recording tool to record yourself performing the tasks you want your learners to practice. 2. Choosing the recording mode by selecting from try mode, view mode, and test mode based on how much interactivity you want within the recording. 3. Editing and enhancing your recordings by cleaning them up, adding annotations, or highlighting important areas. Next step to do is to add engaging elements like 1. Multimedia options such as images, audios, videos, etc., to enhance the simulation's visual appeal and provide additional context. 2. Knowledge checks with short quizzes to reinforce key concepts and gauge learner understanding throughout the simulation. 3. Providing tailored and realistic feedback based on learner choices, offering guidance and highlighting consequences. Finally, it is time to test your simulation and refine it. Make sure to thoroughly test your simulation multiple times, testing every path and possible outcome to identify errors and areas for improvement. Let a few colleagues or beta testers also try the simulation and collect their feedback on clarity, usability, and overall effectiveness. Use this feedback to refine your simulation and address any pain points. Remember, interactive simulations are a powerful tool to turn complex corporate training topics into memorable hands-on learning experiences. And Articulate Storyline 360 not only offers robust features for creating engaging simulations tailored to your needs, but also many other additional benefits. So, make sure to check it out and make good use of its features using this guide. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.